Check it out, guys. It's Trevor James. We are in Amritsar, North India, at the Golden Temple, the world's largest Sikh temple. It's absolutely stunning, made of gold, and here also has the world's largest community kitchen, and that's what we came for. It is just breathtaking. I can't believe we're here, and we're gonna go check it out.
Enter the Golden Temple in Amritsar, Punjab, India. Here in Amritsar, you can find tons of specialty street foods, all shown in part 1 of our Amritsar Street Food series. But today, we're visiting the world-famous Langar kitchen, where up to 100,000 people are served per day. You're gonna be blown away, just as we were, with the incredible scale and heartwarming feel that you get as soon as you enter the temple. But first, before our journey into this amazing volunteer kitchen, let's take a look at the incredible entrance and the kurta pajama set that we chose to wear to enter with.
So we're just getting outfitted before we go into the Golden Temple. We have the kurta and the pajamas, and we're just gonna get the turban here. And then we can go in and enjoy the Golden Temple.
After a quick measurement and a cutting, my beautiful crimson red turban was ready for the wrapping experience.
We're just getting the full turban set up before we go into the Golden Temple. It's gonna be great. This is just amazing, getting a full turban. You've got to cover your head to go into the Golden Temple, so I figured we might as well do it the full real deal here. Instead of just getting a bandana, we're going full on. Awesome. Thank you for helping me get this set up. Yeah, very nice. Thanks so much. I think we're ready to go to the Golden Temple. We have come to the most famous Sikh temple in the world, and today it's going to be an amazing experience full of worshippers, and we're going to the world's largest community kitchen. Just look at this, look at the energy. And I've just been looking forward to this for so long. This is just the most beautiful entrance to a temple. Thousands of worshippers come here, and there is a free meal for everybody, regardless of your beliefs. Before you go in, you gotta walk through the bath, cleanse your feet. It's absolutely stunning. Wow. And you can see the Golden Temple in the back. It's absolutely stunning here. It is just so stunning here. The Golden Temple is over there. It's breathtaking. And this temple complex I heard it has 4 gates. And it symbolizes that you can be from any belief system. It symbolizes secularism. You can come here, you can come to the community kitchen and get a free meal. And that's what we're doing today. So before you go in, or after you come out from the main Golden Temple, you can get this right here. Garab Prasad. Thank you. Wow, look at that. That is Garab Prasad. Look at that. That is like a wheat pudding, roasted. Should be fairly sweet, and you can eat that either after or before you go into the temple. It is a holy food. He just gave me a huge, huge portion there. Oh, it actually tastes like there is some walnut, maybe some almond in there. It's very sweet. It has a whole wheat, very healthy feel to it. Really nice. Right in front of the Golden Temple. Doesn't get any better. It is just so stunning here. Beautiful. There's no way you can describe the feeling when you walk in. You just get this serene calm as you come into this Golden Temple complex. It is unbelievably beautiful. It is completely amazing, and it's just something you have to experience for yourself. So right up here is the entrance to the world's largest community kitchen. This is gonna be a truly amazing experience.
After a quick walk through the entrance to the dining room, we discovered the back kitchen and its many compartments. Each dish had its own room or building, with the dal lentil stew having its own building with insanely massive pots of dal cooking with firewood. There was another chapati room and a cleaning in another. And you can visit all the rooms just as we did and watch the splendor and generosity of the locals, all volunteering to cook for the tens of thousands of people that visit here per day. and on our way to the dal building, we encountered a school parade on the street.
So we're in the middle of a big street parade on our way to find where they make all the dal. Look at this. Cool. Got a couple guys. Everyone is volunteers here at this beautiful temple, and we got a couple guys showing us where they make the dal. Oh wow, it's massive. Is that the dal?
Yeah.
Huge. This is massive. And look at these huge cauldrons. This is all dal. It is absolutely hectic in here. And there's just there's just pot after pot of dal coming out. And this is where you make the dal here. Look at all the lentils. Oh, this is crazy. Different types of lentils for the dal. 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 It's good? It looks really good. These are so big. These are just huge. Oh. Come take a look at this massive cauldron of dal. It's huge. Okay, we're gonna come over here. It is absolutely hectic. Wow. Oh. This is the biggest community kitchen in the world, and you can see why these cauldrons are just unbelievably big. For me, can I help? Oh, look at this. Look at this. It's all dal. Dal. It's huge. This cauldron is unbelievable. How many per day do you make here? How many per day? 1, 2, 3? Two per day. 1 lakh people per day. 1 lakh.
Yes.
1 lakh.
कहाँ के रहते हैं आप? Country.
Oh, Canada. Canada. 250 kg of dal. This is 250 kg of dal right here, guys.
Canada.
Canada, yeah. Canada.
Citizen Canada. Citizen.
Vancouver. Vancouver. And this is all run by volunteers here. How long do you mix this for? 1 hour, 2 hour?
2 hours.
2 hours. You gotta mix this for 2 hours. And they're just scooping out big bucket after bucket of dal. It smells actually really good and healthy. Oh, this is unbelievable. So nice to meet you. My name is Trevor. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Oh, wow. So there's 100,000 people that eat here per day, guys. And this dal is served with roti, bread, and it's free.
My son is USA, California.
Oh, your son is in California?
California.
Really? Your son is in California?
USA, California.
Oh, California. Lots of Sikh, Punjabi people in the US.
Punjabi.
Yeah. And look over here, big pot of lentils for dal. We are making a fresh cauldron of dal right here. Bucket after bucket of lentils. Oh, unbelievable. This is just food on an unbelievable scale. The scale of this production here is unlike anything you'll ever see. Is this salt?
10 kg of salt. Put this salt.
10 kg?
Yes.
10 kgs of salt. So there's lentils and salt.
Salt.
In one pot, is this how many kg?
200.
200 kg in here. And you put a lot of salt in and garam masala?
Yes.
Garam masala, lentils. Oh, it's just bag after bag of salt here. And this is all powered by wood underneath here. Actually, my feet are burning because there's a fire underneath them. Can I help? Speechless. Carrie? Okay. Hey, here we go. Okay. We're gonna help carry this. It's all volunteer run here. And there's a parade outside.
After witnessing the beauty of the dal, we explored more of the cooking rooms and found a Chapati Factory churning out thousands of chapati per hour.
It's insane, the production here. Oh yeah, look at this. Hi. Hi, nice to meet you.
What countries?
Canada. Canada. This is all for the chapati. Look at the chapati. Oh yeah, look at this. It's like a chapati production line. You can see the chapati dough being pushed out, and then it goes down this conveyor belt, and it gets pressed, and then it gets flattened again into circles, and then roasted in here. And then you can see here it's getting roasted. It's beautiful. So this is where you pick the chapati up.
Yes.
How much chapati do you make per day?
1 minute, 60 chapati. Means every second one chapati.
Every second, one chapati. And there's 3 machines here.
Yeah, 3 machines, but still 2 running.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So every day,
Maybe this machine, one machine, 3,600.
3,600.
Yeah, another one also same.
So maybe 7,000
Yeah,
per
around 7,000.
per hour.
Yeah.
Oh man.
What price?
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay, we bring the chapati over here. Right here. Okay, we flip it. Flip? Yeah. Look at that chapati. And then they cover it in ghee. Oh, it's fresh. It has a real roasted smell to it. Wow. They are so fresh. They really have that steaming, roasted chapati smell. Oh, it's just gives off an amazing aroma. And you eat that with dal. We're gonna make our way to the main dining area in a second. And there's multiple stations. Hi. Oh, fresh chapati. It looks good. You can just feel that this whole area is a place of respect. Oh, so much chapati. And these chapati are so hot. They're burning almost. Oh, they are burning. Thank you. Thank you very much. Amazing experience. Now we're gonna make our way to the dining area and check it out. Here we go. Oh. You can just see so many people here enjoying lunch. All right, we're gonna take a seat and try it out. Amazing, so you just put your plate down and wait. Thank you, thank you. Oh, the rice pudding. And here is the chapati. Thank you. Amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, wow. Amazing. Thank you. Very nice. Beautiful. So we have the full selection here in the Golden Temple. This is just breathtaking. Look at this. This is an almost spiritual meal. We have 2 different types of dal, one with lighter lentils, one with darker lentils, and then we have a sabzi, which is made of carrots, peas, and potatoes, and a rice pudding, and then also that warm chapati that we just helped make, covered in ghee and some radish. I'm just gonna take some of that chapati and dip it into that dal with a bit of radish. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, that is actually very flavorful. There's a bit of a spice in that dal. And the chapati, the chapati has like a smoky crispness to it with the ghee. And then I'm just gonna get a little bit of that sabzi. That is pure energy right there. This sabzi is like a healthy, slightly spicy stew almost. That gravy on there. You can taste the turmeric mixed with that ghee-coated chapati. It truly is heaven.
This is one of those meals that you'll always remember. And out of respect, we aren't gonna rate the food here, but instead, we'll rate this experience a solid golden 10. You can come here to Punjab in northern India to experience incredible kindness and openness. And not only at the Golden Temple, but all throughout Punjab. It's one of those experiences you'll always cherish. And through the food here in Amritsar, it's the best way to do it.
That really was a once-in-a-lifetime spiritual food experience. Thank you so much for watching these food and travel videos. I would love to know what you thought in the comments below. Please click that thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also make sure to click that little notification bell button, and if you want, you can check out our Thai Howla merch, our t-shirts right here. Thank you so much for watching, guys.